In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up or create free Getresponse account. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Getresponse registration page. It is best to type Getresponse sign up into a search engine and choose the official Getresponse website so you know you are on the correct page. Once the registration page loads, take a moment to confirm you are on a secure site and that the page is asking you to create a new account. Next, you will see a short sign-up form. Enter your name in the name field, then enter an email address that you can access right now. This matters because Getresponse will send an activation message to that inbox, and you will need it to finish setting up your account. After that, create a password. Use a strong password that you can remember, and avoid simple words or repeating patterns. When you are ready, click the button that says Create Account. If the form shows any errors, double-check for typos, especially in your email address, and try again. After you create the account, move to your email inbox. Look for a message from Getresponse. If you do not see it within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder, and also check any promotions or updates tabs if your email provider uses them. Open the Getresponse email and find the activation link or button labeled Activate My Account. Click it to confirm that the email address belongs to you. This step is important because it activates your account and helps keep the platform secure. Once you click the activation link, you will be taken back to Getresponse to continue the setup. At this point, enter your address and your phone number in the fields provided. Make sure the address is complete and accurate, and enter a phone number you can access if account verification or support is needed later. Before you submit, review everything one more time for accuracy, since these details are commonly used for account records. After you save that information, your free Getresponse account setup is complete, and you can start exploring the dashboard and tools. And that is all there is to it.